Good morning. I say good morning as it's 10:45 and I'm about to start the day. Like I said yesterday, this is life-proof flooring. This is the Hockley oak. Looks really nice.
So it looks really good.
Okay, time to call in the Buco. So what I'm going to do here to make a nice transition is I'm going to use the cell track as a nice transition. And like I said, for if you don't need that seat, the seats, you know, you just want to enjoy this, yet you have bikes, you'll be able to lock the bikes down in here so that you don't have to put them back in there. But this, you know, and it just creates a nice looking molding and a tie down point for bikes, something of that nature. So that's what I'm going to do there. I'm just going to use some, I think I'm going to go with some self tappers. I'm going to try those first, see what it does. And if not, then I'll go with rib nuts just to kind of see. But that's what the plan is. Alright, in order to start the ceiling, the only logical thing I can think of is obviously this is all going to be where the lights are, is one solid piece. I don't want to try to, you know, cut pieces in half for the lights. Put the lights all in one piece. So I need to take a measurement. Now what I need to do is go from here and say 8.5 the first hole. Okay. Now I can bring that over to my piece, mark my holes, then drill my cutouts for my lights. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just literally mark out where I need the holes, and then I'll come back and center them up. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drill a hole in that scrap piece. Got my light. These are just some LED puck lights, recessed 12 volts. Get that wire through. Clips can hurt, so be careful if you get these. And yeah, that's a little tight, 2 3/8. Fits really good. So that's one down. I'm not quite sure why I didn't film putting it up, but so what I did is where you see the screws, that's where the ribs are. So the screws are only where the ribs are, except for the ends, where that's just directly into the plywood seating. But screws are in the ribs. One down, one more light one to go. And I forgot to mention, I'm sure I did before in another video, but obviously not yet. This is Poplar. This is originally molding, you know, for trim in the house. Got this at Menards. Look how thin it is, 3/8 inch thick, or thin, I should say. So it's lightweight, and it's gonna work really good. that's a wrap, folks. What a day. Flooring done. Ceiling done. Obviously, once this cabinet's up, I will put a trim piece later. But that's done, and I couldn't be more thrilled. Wow, check that out. That looks
So good.
What time is it? Like 9 o'clock? 8:34. Not too bad. So tomorrow we are taking the boys to Missouri to pick up a little surprise. So I need a shower. I need to pick up. I need to pick up first. I need a shower, and I'm hitting the bed. I'm tired. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay steady.